welcome back to another truck vlog. I don't know, freak, I don't know, I'm too excited. But today we are going to be doing a part 2 of our truck build. And so, basically I tried getting one of the fenders off, and I got it off. So we're gonna try getting the other one off and do a little bit of some more stuff. The project truck. So see, I took off this fender, whatever the crap it is, and I had to also take off some glue. Which, if you didn't know that, there's glue in your behind your fender to hold your fender in. So I basically got to take out the badge. So let's get right into that. Ow. Freak, that hurt. Came right at my leg. Yeah. I finally got it off. The other one off. Well, guys, I just got the other headlight off. The flash from the car. It's like everywhere. It's like everywhere around us, including. See, like, look at how much glass there is. Oh my gosh, and there's more in the bumper than you think there is. But let's continue on getting some more stuff done. We're getting some more, like, we're gonna probably take off the tail. And what else I just see. I don't know what he's doing exactly for the rest of this. Oh my gosh, that cat goes. Oh dang, there we go. I got it. Whoopee! Dang, I just crap. Look at how many parts are on the back of this bed truck. Got no problem.
Dinky.
The breather. Look. Breather.
Dinky.
Man. That's not good. Big mess. No. There we go. Let's go inside.
What are you doing in here?
Hello guys, we are back after working on the truck. Crap, I couldn't think for a second. Basically I'm gonna show you what we are ordering for it, which is gonna be really cool because it's pretty much really cool. Because by the way, this build is gonna be pretty expensive. So the first thing that's going onto the truck is this bumper. Basically it's $2,000, which is really expensive. And it's a 4-fab door, but it's really nice, and I really like it. and 4 Fab Fours. I keep on saying it wrong. Makes really good popular brand stuff. So yeah, and plus I really want one of these because they'll look really good on it. And then I'm gonna paint it a different color. I don't know exactly if I want to paint it. I want to keep it black, or if I want to paint a different color. But anyways, let's get on to the next item. Next item is some aluminum smug LED DRL bar projector headlights, which are $356. They look actually pretty cool, but I don't know how well they look like in real life. Yeah, they look pretty cool, honestly. To me, they look insane. But let me get to the next item. We got this replace front fender, which is gonna be the passenger side one. So basically I gotta I haven't really exactly ordered it yet, but it's supposed to be the passenger side because I know which one. See, what happens to the passenger side is that it won't fit right, so basically we gotta buy a new one and to replace that one. Anyways, let's go to the next item. We got this 2012 Ford F-350 Super Duty hood, which is the same one that's bent and messed up right now. But I just kind of want to keep it like it is, because the stock ones are way better than the ones with the hood scoops, because it honestly kind of looks weird if you did. And let's go to the next item right now. So next up we got this, which is basically I'm gonna be getting this one right here, the white one, to go with the white that I have on it. But I think honestly the white looks really good, and it's only $20, which that kind of seems really sus, because honestly it should be way more, because I've seen way more than that. But anyways, and let's get on to the last item for right now. These wheels. So these wheels are actually a really popular wheel. They actually look I bet they would look really well, because I've already tried 3D tuning it. They're called Few Tritons D581s. I'm supposed to get way bigger ones, but I don't know what big yet. And yeah, so yeah. Oh yeah, and there's one more item I forgot to show you guys, so let's get right back to that item. And the last item is the Super Lift 11 to 16 Ford F2 and 350 4-wheel drive 6-inch lift kit. This is what I'm going to be putting on it, and it's actually a really popular brand, so if you want to buy like a 6-inch lift kit for like a pretty decent price, then go check it out at rims1.com. Wait, no, hang on. Stupid iPad. rims1online.com. And they'll have lots of lift kits, wheels, and tires. So go check them out. And that's it for the end of the video. Hope you like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll post some comments saying some few more things I should put on the truck. But anyways, I will see you guys soon. Bye.